The most dangerous person in the room makes no sound at all. Noise is cheap. Anyone can be loud. But the ones who actually own the room, they've mastered something far more rare, the art of stillness. The executive who speaks last is heard first. The investor who moves quietly wins consistently. The individual who seeks no validation because their life already speaks for itself. This is not about wealth. This is about weight. The kind of presence that walks into a room and shifts the entire energy without saying a single word. That is not taught. That is built slowly, deliberately, unapologetically. If this spoke to something inside you, you already belong here. Subscribe.